In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use motion tracking with Google in Filmora. This is a fantastic tool that lets you follow the movement of objects in your video and add dynamic elements like text that stays in the same position relative to the tracked object. It's a great way to enhance your videos and make them more engaging. First, start by heading over to Filmora. If you haven't opened Filmora before, it's a user-friendly video editing software that offers a range of creative features to make your videos come alive. Once you're in Filmora, you'll want to open up the video project that you intend to work on. Now let's get to work. Click on your video, which will bring it up in the viewing window. What we're going to focus on today is the motion tracking feature. Motion tracking is a process of recording the movement of an object so that you can attach other elements to it, such as text, images, or other video effects that follow the predetermined path. Find the motion tracking button. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy to find. Once you click on motion tracking, you'll notice a tracker appearing over your video. This tracker is what you'll use to mark the object you want to follow. In our example today, let's say we're focusing on a person in the video, so go ahead and position the tracker over the person. You might need to adjust the size of the tracker, which can be done by dragging the corners to ensure that it covers the entire object you want to follow. After placing the tracker, move to the right side of your screen where you'll see the option to Start Motion Tracking. Clicking this prompts Filmora to start analyzing the movement of the object within the video frame. This step is crucial because it allows the software to understand how the object moves and helps it to apply the effect with precision. With the motion analysis done, you'll have a seamless movement recorded that you can use creatively. For instance, if you want to add text that follows the person, go ahead to the text menu, select your text style, and position it where desired. Filmora will now ensure that this text moves along with the person, maintaining the illusion that the text is naturally part of the scene. And that's it. You've now successfully used the motion tracking feature in Filmora. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for your video projects, making them more dynamic and interactive. Remember, motion tracking can be used for more than just text. You can get creative by adding graphics, animations, or other effects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now inspired to incorporate these techniques into your own videos. Enjoy editing and see you next time.